hello, my future crypto millionaires, my Bitcoin millionaires. My name is Maria Andersen. We talk about crypto on this channel, so please follow this channel if you love everything about crypto. Today, guys, we have a special video, unboxing video, crypto wallet unboxing video, Bitcoin wallet unboxing video. This is a special Bitcoin wallet. I'm sure you haven't seen anything like this before, and we will unbox this wallet. I will show you everything about this cool wallet. And first of all, guys, let's take a look at their website and see what's so special about this wallet. And also, guys, remember that you might have a lot of different crypto hardware wallets. You don't have to have just one, okay? And this one, for example, I'm gonna use for just storing my Bitcoin and for keeping my Bitcoin safe and secure. And look at this variety of wallets. First of all, wow. They look so cool. I can't wait to unbox it. But firstly, we have to check some information about this wallet. Hacker proof. Wow. Manufactured in a network isolated facility. Fireproof. So they did some experiments, and this wallet can withstand more than 900 degrees Celsius. Wow, that's good. That's good for a Bitcoin wallet. Also shock resistant. Wow. So they tested it, pretty cool, as you see, guys, interesting. And also flood resistance. It stays strong even after long exposure to water. Interesting, but yeah, let's see how it works. Or do you want me, guys, to unbox this wallet firstly? Let's unbox it, yeah? Okay, let's see. Material Bitcoin. Wow, I like it. So cool. I believe I have to open it like this. Guys, you're the first who sees it. Are you excited? I'm excited. So here we actually don't have anything, just some stickers. And here is the actual wallet. Interesting. Let's see. Okay, guys, are you ready? Ta-da! Here it is. And here is the size. Wow, it's pretty heavy. Oh my god, made of steel. Now I understand why it can't burn, can't be damaged by water or anything, yeah? Now let's see how it works. And why is it so cool? So we can actually use this wallet as a gold bar. It doesn't have any electronic components, ready to use, and it works independently from us. So it doesn't have any software, okay? Here is the wallet itself. You can scan this QR code. I will show you a little bit later in this video how to send Bitcoin here, okay? Also, let's see. So yeah, address. This is your public wallet address. Here it is. Of course, you can check your balance using this address, and also you can transfer your Bitcoin to your wallet using this public address, or just scanning your QR code. And your private key, guys. If you're wondering where is a private key, here it is. Your private key is actually hidden by this thing, and if you are open this sticker, you will see your private key. I will not show my private key, of course. And if you are, guys, wondering, is it safe to have your public key and your private key on one wallet? Let's see, is it safe? Oh, by the way, here is a quick video how to deposit funds, but I will also show it a little bit later. So yeah, let's see, is it actually safe? Material Bitcoin's manufacturing process is completely automated, isolated network facility. Both the hardware and software used in this process have been audited and certified by the independent IT consultant firm. Okay, so no one actually sees your private key because there is no human involved, as you can see here, yeah? And now let me show you guys how to send Bitcoin to this wallet. So I do have my Trust wallet on my iPhone, and here it is. I do have some Bitcoin here, yeah. And all I have to do, guys, is just click send here, as you see, send. Then I have to scan my QR code. Here it is. Let's do like this. And then I just put the amount of Bitcoin that I want to send, and just click send. Okay. Here I will see some details about this transaction. Now let's confirm it. And yeah, voila, I just sent some Bitcoin to this wallet. Now I will gift this wallet to my son, and I'm sure he will be happy. What do you think, guys? Leave me your thoughts in the comments, huh? What do you guys say? I want your opinion. Do you like this kind of Bitcoin wallets? Would you use this kind of Bitcoin wallets? Of course, you know, this is not for trading or something. If you're an active trader, maybe look for something else, but this is for holders. If you're a holder, if you want to keep your Bitcoin safe and secure, this is what you should buy, I'm sure. Also, here are some cool ideas. You can actually gift this wallet, this Bitcoin wallet, to someone you love. For example, to their marriage or to your employees, or maybe even to your kids. Also, look at this, guys. They give you 100-year warranty. 100-year warranty. Who doesn't want that? And here is at least 12 cool things about this material Bitcoin wallet. It's safe, it's unbreakable, hacker-proof, 100-year warranty, automated manufacturing process, stylish, yeah, that's true, electronics free, does not rely on a company, fireproof, easy to use, no software needed, and no complications. Cool. By the way, I know some guys from the team, and I'm gonna be meeting some guys from the team here in Dubai in April. So guys, follow my channel. I'll be interviewing some guys from the team, and I will be asking them some questions about this wallet. So if you do have some questions about this Bitcoin wallet, leave them in the comments. I will definitely ask someone from the team when I will meet them here in Dubai in Token 2049 event. So what I really recommend you to do now, go check out the link in the description, in the first pinned comment. Go check out this wallet. If you like it, you can get one. And yeah, guys, it's always cool to learn something new if you're in crypto, if you're a believer in crypto and Bitcoin technology, in blockchain technology. So go check it out, learn a little bit more about this wallet, and I wish you a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.